Hello brothers and sisters, today we'll be unboxing the new GoPro 10 Black. But first, I'd like to read a verse from the Bible which is brought to us from YouVersion, an app you can download for free. I'll read from the book of Proverbs chapter 13 verse 20 in the ESV, and it reads, "Whoever walks with the wise becomes wise, but the companion of fools will suffer harm." Alright, first we will speak on price. I purchased the GoPro 10 on a Black Friday deal, which was a bundle package for $400. In the bundle package came the camera, a 32GB SD card, the swivel clip, the shorty, which is the handle that can be turned into a tripod, a spare battery. But I upgraded a couple parts. I got a 64GB SD card, which was a $15 extra cost. And I also purchased the dual battery charger, which came with another spare battery, which was a $40 cost. And then I paid for a 2 to 3 business day shipping, which was another $25 cost. Overall, it was a $500 purchase. So let's get into this and see what we got inside here. The bundle also comes with a subscription of a 1-year plan. And GoPro claims that if anything happens to your camera, that they'll replace it, no questions asked, for any time that you're under the subscription. After the 1 year is up, you can cancel or renew your subscription for a $50 fee. So let's see what we got in here. Nice little case, feels kind of sturdy. So here we got the camera, right? Got the GoPro 10. Feels nice and compact, small in your hand. Got the magnetic swivel clip, which is part of the bundle package. So I got one battery that actually comes with the camera, the spare battery that's promised, then I got the screw-ins for the bottom of the camera to be able to mount it on the accessories. Here's a couple more. And here's the shorty, which can be turned into a tripod somehow, which I haven't figured out yet. And here we got the dual battery charger, which should be coming with another battery. And there it is. So 3 batteries in total. And a very nice and small charger. And here's the cable for that. Here, just to give you somewhat of an idea. So obviously the battery would be inside of the GoPro. There's that in my hand. Pretty small. There's that with the tripod stick. Pretty small. So I'm liking it thus far. Look out for the video update of the GoPro 10 after some more usage for an honest, detailed overall review. I want to record and post adventures such as hiking trips and the progress I'm making as a beginner mountain biker. I also will be doing reviews on recent purchases, and I will be using my GoPro for most of the recording. I make purchases with my own money and have no sponsors, but even if I did have sponsors, I will always give you an honest review. So stay tuned to the channel for updates and more videos. Thank you for your time, and God bless.